Hey folks, in this lecture, we'll discuss the 10 domains that are covered in the RHCSA exam. These domains outline the skills and knowledge you need to master to succeed in your certification. Now let's explore the domains one by one. First, understanding and using essential tools. This module focuses on Linux basics, including using the command line, managing files, and accessing system documentation. These are the foundational skills every Linux administrator must know. Second, creating simple shell scripting. You'll learn how to write basic shell scripts, automate tasks, and use scripting tools like loops and conditions. Automation is a key part of Linux administration. Third, operating running systems. This domain covers managing system processes, starting and stopping services, and troubleshooting system performance to ensure your Linux environment runs smoothly. Fourth, configuring local storage. You'll learn to manage partitions, logical volumes, and disk storage to optimize and configure storage solutions in a Linux system. Fifth, creating and configuring file systems. This section focuses on formatting, mounting, and managing file systems, as well as setting up shared directories for better collaboration. Sixth, deploying, configuring, and maintaining systems. You'll work on software management, scheduling tasks, and configuring system boot settings to maintain a stable Linux environment.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you.
Seventh, managing basic networking. This domain includes configuring IP addresses, managing network services, and ensuring proper communication between systems. Eighth, managing users and groups. You'll focus on creating user accounts, setting permissions, and managing access control to secure your Linux environment. Managing system security. This is a critical domain covering firewall configuration, SE Linux policies, and securing Linux systems from unauthorized access. Finally, managing containers. You'll be introduced to containerization, working with tools like Podman, and managing containerized applications. Throughout this course, we'll cover all these domains in detail, ensuring that you develop the skills necessary to pass the RHCSA exam and perform well in real-world Linux administration tasks. I hope this lecture gave you a clear overview of the RHCSA domains. I'll see you in the next one, and let's keep learning together.